Welcome, today I'm with Xiaomi Poco M4 Pro 5G and I will show you how you can turn on and customize always on display. So normally when you go for the settings and try to find this option, you will be not able to make it because it's not available here. We have to use external application. So you have to go for the Play Store, tap on the search pool and type Muviz Edge. That's the application that we are going to use. It's from the Sparking Labs. We can open. Here we have permissions. So we have to accept all of them. And click to get started. Select AOD screens and find your favorite theme that you want to set up. I will go for this one. Click apply, and if you want to customize, you have to click right here. And right now I will show you my favorite setup. Okay, and right now we can close this application because everything is set up, and take a look. As you can see, here it is. So if you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.